Our next team winners are Critical Care Practice Development Team. Not only did they devise the Critical Care Nursing Training Programme, but delivered it 7 days a week, over a month, to give 1,644 staff the skills required to support the delivery of safe patient care in the event of a super surge. It gave staff an opportunity to have a fit test, learn how to prone a patient, exposure to ventilators, understanding the ABCDE model of care, and an introduction to the pumps used in the setting. This was an incredible challenge due to both the quantity of staff that needed training, but the quality of the training as well, to ensure everyone knew exactly what to do. Congratulations to all those in the Critical Care Training Team.
You are the Critical Care Training Team, and I am extremely proud to announce that you have won the patient choice individual, although there are both of you in here. You are the individual stroke critical care training team. You've won the Patient Choice Award for 2020 for your quite phenomenal feat in training 1,644 staff to prepare and be ready for the super surge in the pandemic wave 1.
We looked at the other nominations and we thought everyone was equally worthy. What we did is, yes, we did step up, but we did what was expected and what we do every day. We had a big team, a lot of support, a lot of other nurses and teams and admin helping us, so it wasn't just Anissa and I at all, but we'll share this accolade with the rest of the team, so thank you very much.
Well, it's not just the wards who are winners. During the initial peak, practice development and education responded in truly amazing ways. As part of the drive to recruit and support more members of staff, the team created a number of bespoke training courses which were rolled out in days rather than weeks. They created a new skills refresher resource and delivered upskilling training for healthcare assistants with great feedback. Over 150 HCAs have continued to be trained and supported in clinical practice since the start of the pandemic. They also provide emotional support and well-being to the learners. Practice Development and Education, another Hero Team Award winner.
The work that you've done has been truly amazing during the pandemic. Continuing to train 150 HCAs since the beginning of the pandemic. The work you've done on your bespoke training, and I think what kind of inspired us the most was the help and support that you've given to our learners. There's a lot of emotional well-being that comes from your team to the wider people and learners out there. You've been an absolute inspiration. It is an absolute pleasure to be with you today.
I think we feel very honoured to receive this award and very grateful. I think, as I said, as a team we feel we do what we need to do and we respond to the needs in the trust, and it doesn't feel we're doing anything out of the ordinary, but at the same time it is really great to receive a reward, and we're really pleased. We're very excited, thrilled to receive the reward. So thank you very much.
And well done as well to Workplace Health and Wellbeing, who worked relentlessly on supporting the staff over the last 6 months. It became evident early on in the pandemic that the services of occupational health would be significant, given that those with underlying health conditions were more vulnerable, and focus was needed to protect staff as well as colleagues. A daunting task given the daily government advice that needed interpreting and implementing swiftly. They certainly did so, creating many work programmes across the whole organisation and always making sure that they were available to provide information and clarification when it was needed. Workplace Health and Wellbeing, another worthy winner.
The team was involved in many work programmes across the whole organisation and truly pulled together and worked cohesively at every stage. We are very grateful.
Thank you.
You've been absolutely brilliant.
Thank you. It feels absolutely amazing for us to have won this award. The team have worked really hard over the last 6 to 7 months, and this award just really makes us feel appreciated and valued by the organisation.
Our next Hero Team Award winner is the Cringleford ward, who cared for patients with COVID from the start of the outbreak and continues to do so. The team is a new one, having been assembled from various wards, but the way they've worked, you'd have thought they'd have been together for years. The team always demonstrate the pride values and have taken on new skills to care for COVID patients, as well as embracing the many challenges they face to maintain patient safety and comfort. Well done to all of those on the Cringleford ward.
We very much wanted to recognise you for one of our Hero Awards, but hero in the sense of the whole ward team. So well done.
It's a surprise, to be honest, but it's very, very privileged, and I feel really honoured to have been nominated in the first place and to win, especially since what we did through the spring. Was just kind of everyone doing their duty and what they thought was right. So yeah, it feels really nice to be nominated and especially to win.